Bea, piniling mag-celebrate ng birthday sa piling ng mga may kapansanan. Sa pagdiriwang ng kanyang ika-37 kaarawan, noong Huwebes, October 17, 2024, pinili ng magaling na aktres na si Bea Alonzo na i-celebrate ang kanyang birthday sa piling ng mga may kapansanan sa isang shelter sa tahanang walang hagdanan. Nagpasaya si Bea sa isang mini-program kasama ang ilang kaibigan at katrabaho. Ayon kay Bea, malapit sa puso niya ang mga may kapansanan, lalo na sa paglalakad dahil sa estado ng kanyang ina. Pinasalamatan din ni Bea ang mga katrabaho at kaibigan na kasama niyang nagpasaya sa shelter, tulad ni Kakay Bautista, Jeric Gonzalez at Timmy Cruz. Gayon din, namigay ng mga pagkain at iba pang pangailangan si Bea para sa shelter. Spreading joy where it matters most. An early birthday celebration at tahanang walang hagdan, a day filled with laughter, love, and unforgettable moments. As you know, my mom's condition has opened my eyes to the challenges faced by persons with disabilities. It's a cause that resonates with me deeply. Celebrating my birthday at tahanang walang hagdan didn't just make my day special. It feels like we were able to share a slice of happiness with an incredible community. A heartfelt thank to you at I Love K, at Timmy Cruz TLC, at Jerica Sales 07, Widows War staff headed by at Chelly Borja, and all our sponsors for making this day extra special. Your support and participation touched many hearts, including mine. Here's to meaningful celebrations and creating memories that last a lifetime. Cheers to more adventures and smiles ahead. At Sikosana PH, at Potency PH, at Pure Gold PH, at Carlitos Catering PH. Hashtag early birthday. Hashtag tahanang walang hagdan. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.